How to fix Samsung A16 Smart View not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your mobile. For restart your mobile, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, like that. And then you can see the option restart. Then restart your phone. After restarting your phone, check your internet connection. For checking your internet connection, then scroll down and turn on your internet connection. After turning on your internet connection, then open Google and any browser for checking your internet connection. And here you can see my internet connection will be work properly. After that, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings and scroll down and click on device care. After clicking on device care, then scroll down and open software update. And here you can check your software updates. If you doesn't update your latest software, then update it to latest software. After updating your latest software, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.